Children, in this video I'm going to teach you linear equation chapter 9 and some word problem. So what do you mean by linear equation? An equation containing only one variable with highest power 1 is called linear equation in that variable. Suppose 3x plus 2 equal to 6. As we know that in the linear equation both the side means operation means we have to equation means whatever the equation is both the side we have to operate. Suppose means if you add 2, so we have to add both the side 2. If you have to subtract 2, both the side you have to subtract 2. If you multiply 2, both the side you have to multiply. If you divide both the side you have to divide it by 2. So 3x plus 2 equal to 6. So first of all we have to find out the value of x. How to find out? 3x plus 2 equal to 6 means 3x, we have to remove this 2. So first of all we have to remove both the side 2 means that is 3x equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. 3x. Okay, now we have to remove 3 from the x means how to remove? So we have to divide because 3x nothing is there. So after removing what 6 from 2 means it will be 4 only na. So 3x equal to 4. Now we have to remove 3. So our what is the value of x will be remain. So 3x equal to 4. So 3x divided by 3 equal to 4 divided by 3. So our value of x will be what? X equal to 4 by 3. So this is the way to solve in linear equation. But I will solve how to solve easily. How to solve this linear equation easily and within the short time in this video. So you have to watch this video till end. And what problem? Means suppose unknown quantity, that time unknown quantities we don't know, that time we are assuming unknown quantities such as x, y, z depends on you or depends on me only. Means suppose suppose my age was means 10 years ago, so I'm my suppose late my 10 years ago my age is x, you can assuming y, you can assume z, depends on you only. So please watch this video till end. Chapter 9, linear equation. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by linear equation. An equation containing only one variable with highest power 1 is called linear equation in that variable. Okay. In the study material, I have already sent what do you mean by linear equation, because in this chapter we have to statement types of problem we have to solve and linear equation. Okay, no inequality. So please write down the statement. Suppose one example is given, 3x plus 5 equal to 8, find the value of 8. We can find out, means suppose in linear equation as we know we can add the same number or expression in both the side, this side also this side, subtract also both the side, add it means divide also both the side, multiply also both the side. So first of all you have to remove this part. So 3x plus 5, I am removing this 5, so minus 5, so I have to minus 5 here also. So this will be what? 3x equal to 3. Now we have to what we have to remove 3, so we have to divide it both the side 3. So 3x by 3 equal to 3 by 3. So it will come what? It will come x equal to 1. So this is the way of means solving the linear equation. So whatever you add, whatever you have to subtract, whatever you have to divide, whatever you have to multiply, both the side you have to operation. But in general we are not doing in the, because due to lack of time, so we are doing like this only, or we can solve like this only. 3x plus 5 equal to 8. Now 3x equal to 8, this 5 I am taking this side, so sign will be changed, this will be minus. So 3x equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. So x equal to what? 3 by 3. So 3 3 is a 3 divided by 3 means 1. So therefore x equal to 1. Now question number 1 it is given 2 within bracket 3 minus 2x equal to 13, find the value of x. So 2 means this 2 will multiply 3 and minus 2x also, so I can write 2 into 3 minus 2x into 2 equal to 13. So 6 minus 4x equal to 13. Now minus 4x equal to 13. This 6 I am taking this side. Means I told you na, if you add, if you subtract, if you multiply, both the side you have to do. Means suppose first of all you have to remove what? 6. So I have to subtract 6 from this side and I have to subtract this side. So I am subtracting, taking this 6 this side, so it will be minus 6. So minus 4x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 by minus 4. This is our required answer. Yes, question number 3 first it is given 7 within bracket x minus 2 equal to 2 into 2x minus 4. So first of all we have to do 7 into x, 7x, 7 into minus 2, minus 14, 2 into 2, 4x, or minus 2 into minus 8, 2 into minus 4, that is 8. Now 7x, this 4x I am taking this side, so it will be minus 4x. Otherwise you can, I told you, add or subtract or divide both the sides same number. So but I am doing in shortest way. You can solve this one also. So for minus 8x plus 14, so this will be 7x minus 4x means 3x equal to 6. Therefore x equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. Therefore x equal to 2. Write down please. Now so we have to take LCM, that is 5 and 10, 2, that is 10. So this will be divided and whatever the quotient will come we have to multiply, means that is 2. 2x plus 1 minus 5x minus 7 equal to 1. Now 2x plus 2 minus 5x minus plus 35 by 10. Okay, I am doing the cross multiply, so it will be 10 only. So 2x minus 5, it will be minus 3x and this will be 37 plus 37 equal to 10. So minus 3x equal to 10. Take this 37 to this side, sign will be changed, that is 37. Okay, so minus 37, so 3x equal to minus 27, minus remove, so x equal to 27 by 3, this is 9. Therefore x equal to, and this is our required answer. Write down please. Yes, question number 7 first it is given x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Means ultimately we have to find out the value of x. So this implies that first of all this part we have to take an LCM. So this is 35. So 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 4, that is 20. In between what sign is there? Minus. So minus 7 into x means minus 7x plus minus minus, that is 28 equal to x plus 3 by 7. So 5x minus 20 minus 7x minus 28. So minus 7x and 5x, it will be 2x, and minus 20 minus 28, it will be 48. Okay, because minus plus only. Okay, this is x plus 3, 7. Now do the cross multiply, it will come minus 14x minus 48 into 7. So this will be 336. Okay, now this one 35x, do the cross multiply, 35x, 35 into 3, that is 105. Now take 35x this side, minus 14x minus 35x equal to 105, and this minus 336, take this side only, that is 336. So therefore x equal to 441 by minus 49, it will go by 9 table, that is minus 9. Therefore x equal to minus 9. This is our required answer. Write down please. Now question number 9, first it is given 2p equal to 2p plus 20% of means multiply of 2p minus 1 equal to 7. So simply we can write 2p plus 20% means 20, remove the percentage sign, it will be 100 into 2p minus 1. So 0 0 gone, this is 5, 1 by 5 equal to 7. Now 2p plus 1 by 5 into 2p minus 1 equal to 7. Once again you have to take LCM, it will be 5 means 10p plus 2p minus 1 equal to 7. So 10p, remove the bracket, so 10 plus 2p means 12p, 12p minus 1 equal to 35. So 12p equal to, take minus 1 is this side, so it will be 35 plus 1, that is 36, means p equal to 36 by 12, this is 3. Therefore p equal to 3. This is our required answer. Okay, write down please. Yes, now 9.1, here we are going to solve what that is uses of linear equation in word problem. In word problem, suppose any number is not given, we have considered as a x, y, means any variable we have considered. Suppose question number 1, it is given if 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 17. Means according to the question 1, it is given if 7 is added. Okay, let the number be x. So according to the question it is given 7 is added, means 7 is, let the number be x, means 7 is added the number. So I am considering the number is x. So x plus 7 is 7 is added to 5 times of a number. 5 times of a number means 5x plus 7 equal to, the given number will be what? Result will come 57. So therefore 5x 57 minus 7, because I am taking this 7 this side. So this implies that 5x equal to 50. Therefore x equal to what? 50 by 10, that is 50 by 5, that is 10. Therefore x, the number will be what? 10. Therefore number will be, required number is 10, because 5 into 10, 50, 50 plus 7, so the sum has what means sum, that result is 57. This is our required number. Write down please. Yes, question number 4, it is given if 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 5. What is that number? So first of all you have to consider, because number is not given, let the number be x. So according to the question, if 1 by 2 is subtracted from number, means x minus half, so multiplied by their difference by 4, that what result will come, means is equal to 5. So this implies that multiply means what? 4 into x, 4x, and minus half into 4 means 4 by 2, okay, equal to 5. So it will come like this only, 4x minus 2 equal to 5. This implies that 4x equal to 5, take this minus this side, it will be 2. So this implies that 4x equal to 7. Okay, therefore x equal to 7 by 4. So this is our required number. Write down please. Yes, question number 8, it is given a chair cost is rupees 250, a table cost rupees 400. If a housewife purchased a certain number of chairs and 2 tables for rupees 2800. Find the number of chairs she purchased. So here let the number of chair be x, let the number of chair be x. So according to the question, the household wife purchased means 250 rupees, certain number of chair means 250 x chair, and 2 table means 2 into 400 equal to total she has paid rupees 2800, means 250x plus 800 equal to 2800. Okay, this implies that 250x, take 800 this side, so 2800 minus 800, it will come 250x equal to 2000. So x equal to 2000 divided by 250, 0 gone, this is 8. So therefore x equal to 8, means number of chairs she purchased what? 8. Write down please. Question number 12, it is given, after 12 years I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. Find my present age. Let my present age be x. So after 12 years means what? I will be plus only na. So after 12 years my age will be what? X plus 12, but it is given that 3 times as I was 4, means I shall be 3 times as old I was 4 years ago. So 4 years ago means what? 3 times 4 years ago means what? This today's present is x, so 4 years ago means what? X minus 4. So x minus 4. So according to the question, x plus 12 equal to 3 times 4 years ago means x minus 4. So x plus 12 equal to x plus 12 equal to 3 times means this is 3x minus 12. So take this 3x this side, it will come, or you take better this side only. So I am taking x this side and minus 12 this side. So this is 12 plus 12 equal to 3x minus x. This implies that that is 2x equal to 24 and x equal to what? 24 by 2, that is 12 years. So therefore present is equal to what? Present age is equal to 12 years. Okay, this is our required answer. Write down. Thank you for watching this video till end. Now our second semester is knocking at the door, so we have to work hard. Okay, and whatever the study material. Now remember one thing, our next chapter will be what? Congruency of the triangle, and our what? Statistics. So that time it is difficult to type in computer because bar graph and everything is there, so we have to go through, means that's why I'm telling you, maximum you can join in the online class, so I can explain you, and one-to-one interaction, means our interaction will be there, so it will be better for you only and me only to make you understand easily. Thank you for watching this video once again. Please share, subscribe and like the channel.